Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the PS Plus for free. So you can get it for free, guys. I'm not going to show you a video on how to buy it. I'm going to show you a video on how to get a PS Plus code for free. So what you need to do is go to the website zestcoupons.com. In this site, guys, you need to type PS Plus. And then, I guess you have to type a little more, but it should come up. So go ahead and press on this, and this is the page. So go ahead and press the button that says show coupon code, and now it's going to start loading it. So before it loads, guys, it's going to say get full code. So press this, and now you just need to download 2 of these apps. They're all free. This is the verification step. It's the last step. So download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and then you're going to get your PS Plus code. So for instance, Family Island says reach level 10. It's a game. So I could do that. I could do the lucky match. I could do the underdog, which says down run for 30 seconds. There's tons of them. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. I'll see you later, but that's going to get it for free. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, this is a video here. There's no video, but it's pretty simple. I mean, TikTok is so easy, down run for 30 seconds. Just make sure you do 2 of them. I'm not sure what you're going to do, guys, but I do live in the US, so if you live somewhere else, maybe you're going to see different apps. That's fine. Doesn't really make a difference. But as long as you follow the rules, and like this one's like reach level 10, as long as you do that, you should get your code. So super cool, guys. This is the website. There's a lot of different things on there, so you could find something else you like, which is awesome. So yeah, be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get PS Plus for free, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this actually works. So yeah, I've been looking for this type of stuff for a while, but you know, hey, it's updated. It's 2025. It's really cool. So yeah, peace out, bro.